Good. It is nighttime, everybody, and we wake up. We're going to wake up. The first day the guy's going to space. Wake up, everybody. We go to space. Now let's go inside and get into the spaceship. Oh, don't kill me. Prepare for takeoff. Whoa, we need a space helmet! Why?
Didn't get that.
Oh well.
Alright, let's go.
And we go now. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. We are going to Earth. Don't kill me, Nicholas. Please. And Star Wars just...
I have to be backward. Go, go, go.
Can't see it. Get back. Landing to Earth.
Wait, stop it, I can't see. Sorry, micro bits for a second there.
Everybody else. Space helmets off. Alright. No, there's a guy stuck with us in space.